Hi guys, Robert Rivera here with the Rivera Trading Group, and this is the trade that we took this morning during the NASDAQ session after 10 a.m. We noticed that at the 9:30 a.m. there was a big drop from this area going down, and I considered that maybe there would be an opportunity for a supply entry there. But then we saw how it broke above and it went ahead and violated the supply area. Now, seeing this rejection here, I thought, well, perhaps an entry there with a stop loss there could be an opportunity. But we specifically are disciplining ourselves to see a fair value gap created after the 10 a.m. Again, watching for structure, looking for gaps created, imbalances created, a refilling of the gap or a mitigation of the imbalance, for then a continuation. So we're looking for very specific things, and until we see those, we're not going to take them. Now, on price action alone, this was a very nice setup. Just need a break of the low, which already happened there. And as long as price respects the high, we're going to be in a good situation. This is how price continued, almost violated, but it didn't. And then when it created this situation here, now we have the fair value gap that we're looking for right there. Okay. And in fact, we created a couple of ones. There's another one right below it. This would have already paid. I'm looking now for a return to the fair value gap, a rejection of this fair value gap for a continuation to the downside. What ended up happening was price continued to move down here and went past beyond our scheduled time of trading. But because it hadn't come back up here yet, and I wanted to see it have a reaction at this area, I waited to see past our time what would happen. In the end, this actually did not mitigate the fair value gap, even though it looks like it did there. But once we had that rejection, now I'm looking for an entry here, looking for a 2-to-1, which was right about right there. I was concerned that it may not make it to the bottom because we already have a double bottom situation here for where it bounced. I did notice that there was an order block here along with a fair value gap that was bullish. So perhaps this will be short-lived. Now, the trend is bearish. And so I'm considering that maybe with the momentum, I can get a break to the downside and a continuation this other zone down here. But because we are already outside of our window of time that I look to trade, I'm being very cautious and I'm just waiting to see if I can get a break of the low and a continuation into this area and perhaps just simply take a 1-to-1. So this is what we got. The very next candle went up, and then the very next candle after that broke the low. We got in on that position there, and as price came down into the order block and started rejecting, we went ahead and took profit there, partial profit, moved the stop loss to break even. Eventually price took us out, and that was that. I'm going to send you now to the live trade so you can enjoy that, and I hope that this was found to be informative for you and that you got some benefit from it. All right, take care. Bye-bye. I like the fact that also if it breaks the low, it'll be in the last few seconds of the candle. Let's see if it does. Uh-oh. 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 Okay, I am in. Let's see what we get. Where are we? Blue, we're blue, we're blue. Let's see if we can hold the blue. Okay, 48, 40 something. I guess those are points. Up 100 points. 122. Come on, keep going. Keep going. Keep going. I think our entry was perfect. Let's see what we get out of it. Beautiful. Keep going. Break through that fair value gap. Order block there at the bottom. 150 points so far. 180, 200. There you go. Come on, let's go. Boy, did we get it perfect. Couldn't have gotten any better, guys. Couldn't have gotten any better. Now it's a question of whether it's going to continue or not. 266. It's a beautiful morning. This is 3 for 3, guys. 3 for 3. Woot, woot. Woot, 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 woot. I'm just waiting for it to break structure. My stop loss to break even. I want to take a partial here, somewhere in here, in this vicinity. It's within a few pips from 1 to 1. Now it needs to just keep going. There you go. There you go. Beautiful. It's in the order block. I took partials. Stop loss to break even. That took a lot of patience. That was a pretty trade. Only to take a nap. Uh-oh. Don't be creating support there. There you go. Break it. 9 minutes for the hour candle to close. Come on, break it. You didn't do it. You didn't do it. You pretender, you. You didn't do it. Nope. Yeah, D. Yeah, you're welcome, buddy. Yeah, this is it's a process, man. And there's so much to this, right? I mean, we could have won several ways here already. If we were going 1 to 1, we would have already won on this too, taking a full profit. But there's many setups here. The rejection of the 50 moving average, the break of the low there for a full 2 to 1 there, beautiful. Then waiting for it to come into our area. Look how it didn't really go into the fair value gap, but it rejected. We don't really need to see anything else. After the rejection, we just need a break of the low. This is now price action trading after that. Understanding where price is going, what's happening down here. We have a fair value gap here, bullish fair value gap. We know that this can reject here. We know we have an order block down here, bullish order block. So it can reject from there too. So we got to be cognizant of that. Take some profit, take some money off the table in case it doesn't keep going down. Because anything can happen, right? Because the market can move at any time. We don't necessarily know at any given time what the market is going to do. We just go with the probabilities and looking at price movement and how it's moving, where's structure, how price is supposed to move around structure. Like, again, I'm not surprised about this pin bar here, right? Because of the structure. We have order block, we have a fair value gap. We know that coming into this area, it can reject. So we take some money off the table. We move our stop loss to break even. If it comes and takes us out, that's all client, that's okay. And if it can break the low, we know it's going for a ride. There's no reason for it to stop until it gets down here. As soon as the new hour candle opens, I think this trade is over. If it goes down first, it could create another support. Okay, about to take me out, took me out. Okay, that's it, guys. Good day. Good day. Very good day. Very good trading session. Even though, again, it went beyond our time. We were able to benefit from it. Okay, guys, I'll see you in class tonight. Okay, take care, guys. Blessings. Good day.